Alright, today I'm going to show you how you can use remove tool to clean up some objects within the photo. So I'm going to clean the birds and the baby. So the first part, I want to clean or remove those images. So let's find where the remove tool is. So if you don't see it on the panel, you can just right click on those three dots and navigate where it is, then you just click once to select it, or you can even hit J on your keyboard to bring it. And you have to make sure remove after each stroke is not checked. This is going to help us especially after selecting the parts I want to remove, that the Photoshop is not going to generate immediately, so it has to wait for my command when I'm done selecting the parts I want to remove. So after selecting those, I will have to make sure I go on top of the taskbar to confirm with a tick there, therefore commanding the Photoshop engine to do its work. By the way, this thing is effective, as you can even use it in photo retouching. Yes, it can help you like removing icons and other stuff, even if you have those complicated photos, and even if you have some photos like you have gotten an image from anywhere and you want to use that image, but when that image has got a watermark, when it has got some objects that you don't want, but when you want to use that image, you can use this remove tool to remove all those sorts of things that you don't want. So all you have to do is to select where you want to remove, and what the Photoshop engine does, it scans all the pixels within that area that you have selected or highlighted, and it has to make sure it makes them equivalent to the object that is within that range or within that place where you want to remove. So it compares the pixels of the object around where you want to remove and the environment or the part that is surrounded. So it gives you the perfect thing, as I think it's just an AI, but it is offline. It works offline and it is powerful, even so effective. So after selecting those parts that you want to remove, then you confirm with the check mark, the tick, to remove those areas. So it will take like some seconds, yes, to remove all that you don't need. So all you have to do is to wait a little bit. It is not going to take a lot of time, but just some seconds to verify those pixels within those areas, and it will give you the exact thing that you wanted. So let's wait for our Photoshop engine to finish its work. And it's done. It is perfect. So we just click once and confirm with the tick. And that is it, guys. So I want to remove the baby. And now welcome to part 2. So part 2, I want to remove the baby. So of course I'm going to do the same procedure. I will go and pick my remove tool from the side panel, and I have to select the parts where the baby is belonging. So I have to select all those pixels. Yes, I'm using a Wacom tablet. Yes, I have a small Wacom tablet that I use as it eases the work in Photoshop. Yeah, so it is easier when drawing, when making those selections. You make them when they are perfect. So I will then confirm with a check mark, and I will let Photoshop to do its work. Alright guys, thank you for watching, and that is it guys. So if you have found this helpful, you can give me a subscription to support my channel, and don't forget to click the like button for YouTube algorithm to recommend my work. Thank you guys. Peace.